Well, there you go. Just a humble guy in the mountains of Virginia in a shop he built himself, making simple things and sharing his experience on YouTube. Just passed 1,000 subscribers. Really can't believe it. I greatly appreciate everybody who's already subbed. So as far as the build itself, I'm sure y'all have kind of figured out my idea for this build. And of course, 1,000 piece cutting board, 1,000 pieces to represent the 1,000 subscribers. And boy, was it a challenge. You know, the pre-planning stage, I'm thinking, oh, no problem. If I just make all the pieces exactly just right, they'll all line up, boom, bing, bang, boom, whatever. There you go. No, things didn't quite work out, you know, perfectly. But again, maybe that's just me being humble. And, you know, so anyway, sight lines, they're a little crooked here and there, but, you know, ultimately, I think it worked out just fine in the end, and you know, I'm pretty happy with it. For more detail, you know, as far as how I built it, etc., there is currently a build article ready on Instructables. All links will be down below. Again, as of now, today's date is April 21st of 2020. So again, that one is currently ready. The build article on my website will be next. That is currently under construction, so to speak. So all you future people, head on over and check that out as well. So from here, we'll just let it go. Again, I want to say thank you to everybody that has subbed and to all future subs again. To my family, to my wife and son, I greatly appreciate all the support that you have given me, and I love you greatly for it. So thanks again. From there, we'll just leave it off and say thanks for watching and catch y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.